welcome to MagicSolar. This is Casey here online. So today we are doing a very special offload promo in most of our solar panels. So we can do last time when we are manufacturing, we are producing something solar panel. We showed you a video where we are manufacturing in China. So most of those products are landed in Nigeria, as you can see. So from here now, we're giving you different sizes of solar panels. We have our bifacial solar panels here. We have panels that charge front and back. Again, I have cells both at the front and both at the back. This solar panel, once you use in your house, you put on top of your roof, you can actually trap some front and the back, and all the heat in your zinc, all the under cells will extract all the cell, all the heat energy upon your roof and convert them into normal electrical energy back to your house. So these particular panels have high efficiency and it has a very minimum energy loss because if you can get it directly from the sun and also can extract all the heat that is on top of your roof. With this thing on top of your house, you never feel heat inside the house because the job is to extract every heat energy and convert it to electrical energy for you. And here we also have the straight panel, we have the bifacials, we have all of them. We have 650 watts, we have 750 watts, we have 680 watts. And likewise, many others. Over here, we have 10,000 solar panels. And this is our Lagos branch. Our office here in Lagos is in the suite A1 City Park Plaza. Before New Mandela's gate, you're going to see MagicSolar Tech Nigeria Limited there. By Trade Fair. So if you are coming from something like my team or Ocean, once you get under that bridge of Trade Fair, you can come inside towards the right side before New Mandela's gate. You go to Nigeria Limited. We also in Abuja in Suite 24 Emma Plaza, Museti in Abuja. We also in Benin City in number 42 Avenue Division Road, opposite to Oma Bank. You're going to see MagicSolar Tech, the world's biggest signboard. So once you come there, you're going to get everything about solar panels, inverters, chiller controllers, tubular batteries, lithium-ion batteries. We are the major distributor for them. But for now, we're focusing on our solar panel we have. This is the way for our solar panel. As you can see, we are running the majority of all our solar panels here in Lagos. So we are doing special promo in most of these solar panels. As you can see, the face of our solar panels all in one. These are half-cut panels plated opposite each other and also have double cells at the back. So with this panel now, you are ready to go and ready to charge. You can power your hotel, you can power your hostel, you can power your church, you can power your home, in your house, your duplex, anything you want. With these panels, you can power both your AC, your air conditions, your televisions, your factories. You have a company, you have a factory that already too much energy in trying to power your factory or your water factory, however. Because of MagicSolar Tech will supply you these panels and will give you the inverter, matching inverter, batteries, and everything you can deliver and install nationwide. Whether you have your house in your village or your factory is in a very remote area, it's because of MagicSolar Tech, and it's our job to go and give you light wherever you want light. So this is what we do. So we'll show you more. As you can see, these are all our solar panels. We have a lot of them. We have our containers. We'll show you more of our containers. As you can see, so we have 650 watts, we have 750 watts. 650 watts, like I said earlier, is a special promo. 650 watts is a special promo. 650 watts now. Our normal price for 650 watts is actually 140,000. But if you are buying anything from 10 pieces and above, we'll be supplying for 135,000 naira. And if you're a dealer, if you're a reseller, please call us. We have special price for a distributor or a reseller, because we are looking for distributor all over Nigeria that will have this panel over 10,000 pieces. We have about 40 pieces container, about 740 container, are doing offloaded as we speak in Lagos office. So now for the 680 watts, 680 watts is actually 150,000 naira. But if you are buying from anything 10%, we'll be supplying you for 140,000 naira. Like I said, if you're a distributor, you're a retailer, you're a seller, call us on a special price for you. These are A-class panels, this is not copy solar panel. These are A-class solar panels, as you can see. So also have the 750 watt, original price 175,000 naira. But if you're buying it from 10% and above, we'll supply for 165,000. And if you're a reseller or a distributor, please reach us and we'll have special price for you. Don't forget, we also have all the panels, inverter, chiller controllers. We can sell, we can distribute, we can install, we can take care of anything, energy you want, both in your hotels, both in your church, both in your house, or if you're a business person, or in your mall or supermarket. Please call us on 08038226739 and MagicSolar Tech is ready to supply whatever you want. These are suntrick solar panels, and if you take a look, take a sweep over our solar panel, you can see we have thousands and thousands and thousands of solar panels here in our warehouse. This is Lagos warehouse, as we already told you. So please make your orders as soon as possible, and don't forget to reach us in for our website. Our website www.suntricksolarmgt.com. You see us there, or you reach us any of our on YouTube, on